Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to encrypt an entire thumb drive. I have a thumb drive right here. It's 8 gig thumb drive, but I'm only going to encrypt some of it. As you can see, it's empty. Totally empty. Okay? What I want to do is I want to encrypt these pictures. Just some pictures that I have that I want to encrypt. I don't want anybody to see. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to download TrueCrypt. TrueCrypt.org. Okay, once it's downloaded, install it, which I've already done. This is what it looks like when it's running. Okay, but that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is copy it. So go to the program files folder, copy the folder named TrueCrypt right onto your removable disk. And once it's copied all the way over, run it from your thumb drive. Okay, see, it's the same thing, but it's running from your thumb drive this time. Press create volume, choose create an encrypted file container, standard TrueCrypt volume, and then you're going to select a file. Here you want to put it on your thumb drive. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name mine TrueCrypt volume. Okay, and then press next and leave. You can change these if you want, but I'm just gonna leave them the same. And then you get to figure the volume size. I'm just gonna keep it small for the video, so I'm gonna do 5 megabytes. And then your password. Okay, I'm using a very short password just so I can do it very well for this video, but if you want to test your password out, go to howsecureismypassword.net. The password I'm currently using, I'm going to type in first. It will take 2 seconds to hack, and it shows you what you can do to figure to better use it. Password I use more often will take about 335 billion years to hack. So this is, I don't know how how good of a idea it is, but it's very helpful. No matter what, as long as it's under 20 characters, TrueCrypt will ask you to change it to a longer one, but you can just press yes to figure that out. Now you want to move your mouse around inside TrueCrypt for a little bit so it can generate a random pool so it can encrypt your volume much better, and then it's done. So then press exit and exit. Now you have your TrueCrypt folder and your TrueCrypt volume. Now the next thing we want to do is hide those so that nobody can see them. Open up Run. I'll open it from Start, and then type in CMD, which is command prompt. Type in the drive letter that your removable disk is at. Mine is at E right now, but yours might be at something else. And then you're going to type ATTRIB, attrib, short for attribute, and then TrueCrypt, and then +H and +S, and that hides it. And then attrib, TrueCrypt volume, +H +S, and then exit. So now it looks like there's nothing on your thumb drive at all, when in fact there is a volume on there. Now something useful to add to access it without having to show those folders every single time. I created a small little batch file that does this very well. I'm going to post this code on the page after I'm done. But also, all it does is mount your volume, start TrueCrypt, and dismount your volume, and then it also exits. So I converted this to an executable, and I can just drag and drop it right onto the thumb drive. So when I run it, it will ask for what I want to do. So I'm going to mount my TrueCrypt volume, and I'm going to type in my password, and it opens up my TrueCrypt volume. And if you go to your computer, it's just another removable disk. That's all it is. Okay, and then I will copy over the folders or the folder of pictures that I don't want anybody to see. Oh, which is too big. Okay, let me just copy over some of the pictures then. There we go. So, in your, now I see that I have the pictures in here just fine. Right there. And then this removable disk is still empty. Or quote unquote empty. Okay. So then I open up my auto run again. And now I'm going to start TrueCrypt so I can show you that it is mounted right here to G. There's all the information right there, and you can mount all from here if you really wanted to, and then I can dismount all TrueCrypt volumes. And if I open TrueCrypt again, you can see that it's gone. Same from here, there's no G. Okay, and so then you can mount it again, and there's your photos, all right there. Okay, so that's how to encrypt a thumb drive. There's TrueCrypt allows you to encrypt an entire thumb drive if you really wanted to. But the only problem with that is that you have to have TrueCrypt on every computer you want to open it with, to decrypt it, it seemed. So this way you can at least have a little bit on there. TrueCrypt is always with you, you just have to allow it on the different computers. So it's much easier. Oh well, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned what you needed to.